The model is known by her username Acropolis1989. She hails from Germany. The Instagram model has figured out how to make a noticeable presence on the web with her online media accounts. As per her different online media profile, the model is a blogger too. Allow us to get familiar with Acropolis1989 and investigate her genuine name and age. On the off chance that you are searching for Acropolis1989 Instagram model's genuine name, well, you are not alone. Nonetheless, Acropolis has never referenced her genuine name on the web or to the overall population yet. The model passes by her username at the rate of Acropolis1989 on a large portion of her web-based media and has made a conspicuous presence with her username. Acropolis impales a bastion or braced piece of an old Greek city, commonly one based on a slope. The strict interpretation of the word Acropolis in Greek is upper city. Nonetheless, based on her username Acropolis1989, we can figure that she was likely born around the year 1989. In the event that is valid, the Acropolis' real age is 34 years of age starting at 2023.